Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we are going to unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of May. The last couple months, I feel like Ipsy's kind of been a little disappointing, so fingers crossed that this month is like an amazing box that we just absolutely love. I'm really hoping for that, because Ipsy is an awesome subscription box, and I want to love them. I want to love every box I receive from them, so I'm really hoping that May is the box that is going to impress me. Alright, so inside the box we have a little card that says "Get That Glow." So I'm guessing that's the theme of this box. This does not list like what my products are. It just talks about highlighter, powder, liquid, cream. And then add-ons and dates for future things on the back of this card. So we don't have any pricing for any of this stuff. So hate that. But maybe we'll just have to look them up as we go along here. Alright, so the first product we got in the box is from Sunday Riley. This is a very expensive brand, so this is exciting to me. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the Good Genes Multitasking Targeted Lactic Acid Treatment. Rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance. Okay, so they have like this huge box, right? And then like the jar, it looks like a decent size. I don't know if you guys can see on the inside, the jar is much bigger than the product. You see the small little white ring? That's actually how much product is in the cylinder of this jar. I feel like the packaging's a little excessive here. I understand it's an expensive brand, so they probably want to make it feel luxurious, hence the super nice box with the, foam inlay. I'd rather pay a little bit less and have less expensive packaging. Are you guys with me? Do you feel me? Do you agree with that? All right, so I found this cream on Sephora's website for $85. Okay, that is really good to get in a $25 subscription box. I mean, wow. Now, let's see what it feels like. I know this is for your face, but we're just gonna try it out on my hand because I already have makeup on. Okay, it looks like a lotion. And it has a very citrusy smell. I probably should read, like, if I'm supposed to wash this off or something. Okay, this smells exactly like Lemon Pledge. I'm not kidding you. It smells like I just pledged my hand. I pledged my hand to Sunday Riley because it smells like Pledge. That's okay. I mean, I like the smell of Pledge. So it says to apply 1 to 2 drops to clean dry skin and leave 1 for treatment. So I guess I do not have to wash this off. It feels really nice. I mean, I feel like it really hydrated my skin. My understanding is lactic acid is like a really good hydrator. Even though like the word acid kind of has a bad notation. Like most of us think of acid and we think of something really bad. But lactic acid is supposed to be really good for the skin. Let's move it along. Okay, so next we have, it looks like a little palette. This palette is from Mimosa Moments, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. I mean, people with gluten allergies, do they really have like an allergy to stuff being on their skin? Because you're not gonna really eat this eyeshadow palette. I thought gluten allergies were more like ingesting it. I don't know. If you are someone with a gluten allergy, school me. Leave a comment below letting me know if it's important that your makeup is gluten-free as well. Okay, so on the palette it actually says Colored RAINE. So I don't know if that's the brand. Yeah, because it says Mimosa Moments by Colored RAINE. Okay, so Colored RAINE is actually the maker, and Mimosa Moments is like the name of the palette. Very cute neutral palette. I mean, I feel like this would be very good for everyday use. It looks like we have 2 shimmers and 4 mattes in here. I mean, these are kind of like the colors I have on my eyes today that you can't even tell because I'm wearing my glasses. My big old glasses. Sometimes your eyes just need a rest. This little palette has a very durable case and it's very small, not very heavy. So this would be awesome for traveling if these are the kind of colors that you like, which I feel like most people could use this. So I feel like this is great for like a summer type box. even though none of us are traveling at the moment. Hopefully that'll change eventually, right? All right, next we have, it looks like a mascara, High Def Volumizing Mascara. I feel like we get so many mascaras. I mean, yes, every girl probably wears mascara every day, so it is useful. It's just sometimes it's kind of like, want to see something different. This is by Beauty For Real, and it's in just black. Let's take her out. Okay, that's a weird wand. Not sure how I feel about that. But you know what? We're gonna go ahead and try her out. Normally I go for like a really big, like fluffy wand, and this is like super small, tiny little bristles. I think it'll be good for your bottom lashes, but I don't know about your top. So it definitely works. This is the eye that I applied it to, but can you guys tell that they're like a little bit more clumpy? I think because the bristles are so small that it doesn't like pull through the lash as much, which makes them a little bit more clumpy. But from far away, clumpy is going to look like you have more eyelashes. Up close, not so much. Oh y'all, we completely skipped the bag. The bag is super cute this month. I really do like this. It looks like a beach sunset, kind of like a reverse sunset maybe. But it's very cute. Oh, it's got a little yellow tassel. I love tassels. So this bag is appealing to me. However, it's very, very small. Like, I thought maybe I had another Ipsy bag around me, but I don't at the moment. But it's smaller than normal. Like, I guess because it's shaped like this, where it kind of goes out. The inside's really cute. It's yellow with like little gold confettis in there. But this is not going to hold very much. All right, so next we have a lip product, and this is from Sugar Coated Sugar Rush Tarte. So I'm guessing this is by Tarte, and maybe it's like a sister brand. I've honestly never heard of Sugar Rush. Mine is in the color Cupcake. Ooh, this looks like this is going to be a very good neutral color that most people will be able to wear. Yeah, I like that color. It feels like it's very like moussey and whipped. I already have lipstick on, but let's just put a little bit on top. Okay, so it's pretty much similar to the color that I have on right now, just a little bit more like muted because of the whipness of it. It feels really soft on my lips. It's not sticky at all, but I don't think this is going to be like long wearing. I have a liquid lipstick on right now that's like long wearing. But yeah, this is nice. I like this. Oh, I forgot we were supposed to be looking up prices, didn't I? All right, so it looks like this mascara is $19, which is typical price for a mascara. Okay, so I'm not seeing this palette on their website. I do see some other like small eyeshadow palettes that are like $25, but they still look bigger than this one. So I don't know what the value of this would be. All right, so now on to the last product. We have a palette of some sort. This is from NOMAD, and it's called Sydney Bathers. Sydney Bathers. And this is a limited edition Ipsy and not for sale. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is really nice looking. And NOMAD, I've tried some of their shadows. We've gotten an Ipsy before, and they're really good eyeshadows. Okay, so this doesn't look to be an eyeshadow palette. This looks like it is going to be like a blush or contour palette. Ooh, it's a highlight and contour palette. Very pretty. This is nice, y'all. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch them. Like, this is the peach. Let me just swatch all of them and then show you, because, yeah, I'm crazy. Okay, so here are the swatches. The 3 highlighters are at the top. This one's a little too dark for me, but it would be good for an eyeshadow. And then this is the matte bronzer. This is really nice. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so I did find on their website a like 4-pan palettes, very, very similar to this one, but they're 4 long, and it looks like that was $27. So I'm gonna value this around $27 as well. So we definitely got a huge value in this box. I mean, we got $27, $85, $19, and $15. What is that? Oh, and this little guy, I don't know, maybe we'll value this at like $10. So even with me valuing this at only $10, which is probably worth more, I came out to $156 worth of products in my box for $25. Definitely a great box. I feel like this is the most excited I've been about an Ipsy box in quite some time. I pretty much have a full face, you guys. Like, I'm gonna be able to like really hydrate my skin here. And then I have a contour, a highlighter, an eyeshadow palette, a mascara, a lip product. This is what I love. Like, I like that we get a little skincare, but I love that we got 4 makeup products this month. It's always disappointing when we get one of these boxes as a makeup lover and you get like 1 makeup product and then everything else is skincare. So this box is like awesome. Like, I'm totally excited about my May box. Well, you guys let me know in the comments below what you think of my box and if you think my box was better than yours. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my videos. And give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. Any feedback or interaction that you guys give me, I greatly appreciate. It also really helps out my channel. So thank you guys again for your time. And until next time, bye y'all.